Hi, I'm Madison with Golden Age Beads, and today we're going to talk about lava rock. Lava rock, volcanic rock, or basalt is a rock formed by magma that erupted from a volcano. It's a textured stone, usually black, gray, or brown, and can weather to a deep brown or a rusty red when found out in nature. The unique texture of lava rock is formed when dissolved gases form bubbles within hot magma and become trapped as the lava cools and hardens into stone. The word basalt is derived from the Latin term basanites, which means very hard stone, and it even traces back to ancient Greek and ancient Egyptian terms for stone. Basalt is found all over the world, as most of the Earth's crust was formed by volcanic eruptions. It can be found as pebbles on the beaches of Hawaii or other tropical islands, and it's even erupted from volcanoes on the moons of Jupiter, our moon, Mars, and Venus. Metaphysically, lava rock is used as a stone of strength, allowing stability and grounding. It is used to calm emotions, and since it's made from fire that springs forth from beneath the earth, it possesses an intense calming and healing energy. It is a stone of rebirth, helping its wearer shed unnecessary emotions and attachments. It is strongly associated with the root chakra due to its strong connection with the earth and with zodiac fire signs such as Sagittarius. Lava rock is an incredibly common mineral, and it's used in a variety of capacities, from construction to statues to beadwork. Here at Golden Age Beads, we have lava rock in a few different sizes, perfect for men's jewelry, mala bracelets, or yoga bracelets. These beads are textured and have a very nice weight to them. Here at Golden Age Beads, we also have synthetic lava rock, which is typically made from concrete or pumice stone. It has a much more textured appearance and comes in a variety of different colors. For the best use of lava rock's metaphysical properties, it should be worn directly on the skin so there is no blockages of its energy. So it's best when used in a bracelet or as a necklace. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you learned a little bit more about lava rock so you can use it in your next jewelry project.